everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. Mark and I are going to Bugis again for Valentine's Day brunch. Again, Bugis again. So again, if you haven't watched the vlog yesterday, we are giving away 300 pesos to 10 lucky winners. Brought to you by Bugis, of course. Thank you so much, Bugis. Love it. Sobrang liwanag. Yan. Super like ko yung bagong cream brow pen ng Maybelline. Kasi tignan nyo, ang ginagawa ko lang talaga is fill in. Tapos, I just use my spoolie to brush it out. Tapos, it looks very natural. Compared sa ibang brows ko yung dati powder. Mas gusto mo ba to? Yeah. Mas natural siya tingnan. Bongga. It's my new favorite brow product. So, I'll do a tutorial. Or gumawa ako ng video dun eh. Pero I'll do a tutorial on that. Very easy to do or to use. Tapos, tong lipstick ko is from Happy Skin. Heartbreaker to. Heartbreaker ba? Yeah. Yung suot ko sa isang vlog. We're already here and it's a full house since Valentine's Day. Sobrang daming tao. Full talaga. And Mark and I tried out different dishes naman. Pero still we have the laksa and the fish cake. Ano pang bago? Mamaya makikita niyo siya. Yun ang sinabi mo, yalang. It's a full house. Ayun sila Andy tsaka si Uncle. Wala sila Iris. Pero super full house. Grabe yung pimple. Color. Itong sauce nila is the best for yung mga nom-noms. Ito naman may, maanghang to, diba? May anghang siya. Masarap din. Masarap din. We love it here. 2 days in a row. Right? Hello? 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 Ayan. Mark ordered melon shake. Anong lasa? Of course, sasabihin mo masarap. Kasi favorite niya yung melon shake. Love it. Fish fillet. Ito yung may mango. Fish fillet with mango something. Oh. Yes. Oh, our favorite. Every day, all day, every day. Ito yung Hainanese. Kasama siya ng Hainanese. Oh my God. Wow. Ay, yung heart bean na ni Bea curry balls. Thank you. Sir, ma'am, okay, there. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Ay, picture tayo mo yung bago tayo magkain.
Mango chicken.
Fish.
Ah, fish ba?
Ang sarap. Wow.
Fish fillet mango.
Lasa yung mango. We're done eating, guys. It was so good. Sobrang sarap. Ay, nako. Next weekend ulit, ibigay pa kami tapos craving namin. Di ba, B?
Yeah.
So, itry ni Mark tong kaki massage. We're gonna try out the Nimiak, which is the back and foot massage. Dry. Ay, hindi. With oil siya. At pag Sunday, wala silang promo. So, regular price. We're going back home now. Natuwa lang ako sa movie kasi sa loob ng massage place may movie, diba? One More Chance yung pinapalabas. Anyway, the massage was not that relaxing kasi parang ang sakit. We tried the back and the foot massage. Nasaktan ako ng konti. And si Mark hindi rin nasarapan masyado. Masakit daw. Having dinner here at Ramenagi with of course. Bumili kami ng ano.
Hindi, wala ng karage.
Oh no! O sige.
Bali lahat mo available ng karage lang kami. Carlene!
Ikaw?
Gyoza.
Ikaw bahala, ikaw na bahala.
Huwag na lang.
We got this. Oh, wag na lang, B. Okay na yun. We got this Frost and Fill. Puto, ano siya? Leche flan? Puto flan. Puto na may leche flan. Masarap naman, bongga. Namiss si Mark sa Ramenagi. Ayan. Original ramen. My favorite ni Mark. Ano yan, B?
Black king. Sweet ink.
way back home, guys, we watched How to Be Single. Sobrang ganda niya. Pati si Mark nagandahan. Gusto mo, diba? Maganda siya. Anyway, tapos nakita namin yung trailer ng The Conjuring 2. Scurry nang. Tapos, yun. So, we had a good Valentine's Day kahit wala kami masyadong magandang picture. Color. So, that's it, guys. So, sorry. Sobrang delayed ako sa vlogs, pero gusto ko lang mag-relax. At yung pimple ko, oh my gosh. Anyway, I have a new Ask Say, so I'll have the link in the information box. That's it. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye, B.
Bye.
The best angle. What's your message?
Kanino?
To them.
Wala.